Guys?
Yesterday's low.
Yes, yes.
Yep. It opened at 17,934.
Okay, we have. So, we're like,
Okay. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our Watanabe show. My name is Pincha Costa, and today we have Kora along with us. So without further ado, first we are going to place. Are we placing trades today, Kora? And then we will be discussing about the news part.
as can see, 85 points. Bank Nifty is slightly underperforming. I'm just thinking whether to play for the gap fill. What is yesterday's low?
Okay.
Go to historical data.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
974. Yesterday's.
Yeah.
It's 18074.
18074.
Yeah, 18074.
We are opened well below that.
Hmm.
If we touch 18074, that time we can buy.
That time we can buy. What exactly?
A call, actually. Yeah, buy a call.
Mm-hmm.
Buy 17,900 call.
The first one.
Yes.
So we are buying this.
No. This just open the code board.
Yep.
Uh, 169 it open, low is 135, 150. A bit shaky. I don't know whether the gap is not that still down because US is still down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, put below 147.
147.
7.
So should I place it at 145?
You can place it now 146. 146.
If it comes. Mm. Yep, it got filled.
Yeah, put a limit at where is the yesterday's low?
18074. That's what I was told.
No, I just want to verify. Go to the historical. Go to that in Yahoo chart.
Yeah. Resources, historical data.
Come down.
18074.8.
Sorry?
18074.8.
Yesterday's low.
Yeah.
No, but then how is 18035 is the close?
Let's check.
I'm talking about futures.
Okay, then I'm not looking at the futures. So I'm looking at the
Indices.
indices. Okay, go back to the futures then. If it is 74, what is the
Yesterday's low was 18,000.65.
18,000?
0.65 Nifty.
18,000. So about 30 points from here, 15. So put 165, 164 as your sell.
At 165.
164.
164.
Profits vanished. Let's see. Yeah, you can go to the news.
So logic is that yesterday's low will be reached, right?
Yeah, it opened below yesterday low. So we're like looking for yesterday low at least.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the global market updates we have is US futures is lower following a close in the red for cash market. US market off highs, frontline indices fall up to 1.8% on hawkish US Fed commentary. SGX Nifty trades lower, that indicates a gap down start for the Indian market. Moving towards the Indian ADR, we can see that all the Indian ADRs are down. In stocks to watch, yesterday we had already discussed about Vedanta. Railtel Corporation of India, a positive news that the company has received work order worth 27 crores. And not so good news related to Vodafone Idea, but Bharti Airtel and Reliance Industries. So it seems that a lot of subscribers have been added to Airtel and Jio, whereas Vodafone Idea has lost around 2.47 million subscribers. And
It's very bad news.
yes, it's very bad news.
No, the angel one.
Narayan Gangadhar resigned from the position of the CEO of the company.
Yeah, he is the one who changed the angel broken.
Okay.
An angel had a material rise. Just look at the chart when he joined. He joined about a couple of years ago.
Angel one, this one.
Yeah, angel broken. That's
Yep.
5 years chart.
No, I can't see.
It's actually name changed.
Name
So
change. Yeah.
it went all the way to 2000. I think when he joined, it was about 500.
Okay.
And then, of course, the fall is from 2000 to 1000 fall. I don't blame because of market conditions. Yeah, so he leaving. Yeah, so he joined on 2021. They're down, right side.
Yes.
Click
26
that
April
angel one.
2021.
Click that. I think it's from Amazon.
This one.
Narayan Gangadhar.
Narayan Gangadhar. Okay.
Is from Google, Uber, Amazon. So he changed the culture at Angel. Because of him, the angel twice. I don't know why he's superb CEO who added value. I made some money. I think I bought at 600, 700. I don't know where I exited. Not definitely not at 2000. Somewhere I exited. I made some money in Angel.
Okay.
I don't know why he's leaving. All right. Yeah, if I have an angel, I would exit because I would be buying only because of this day, not because of Dinesh Thakur and other family guys. Yeah.
Yeah. Ultratech, a positive news that the company has commissioned cement capacity in Chhattisgarh and greenfield grinding capacity in Odisha. So, and yep, and moving towards Hindustan Aeronautic and Bharat Forge, they have signed an MOU with the Defense Ministry for collaboration in development and production of aerospace grade steel alloys. Then NLC, a positive news. So the company, through its joint venture, is setting up a coal-based thermal power project in Kanpur. Yep. So that's it in the stocks. And in earnings, fine print, we have a Schaeffler India. Sorry.
There, Google, YouTube.
Yeah.
Who is he? Neil Mohan.
Yes. Neil Mohan is YouTube CEO. You. Okay. Let's see if we have any picture of Neil Mohan. This guy.
Where is he from? Come down.
Yeah. Who is Neil Mohan? So he's electric engineer from Stanford University. One time left in India. So Google.
23 and me. Okay, that's the connection.
He previously worked with Microsoft.
Biotech company, 23 and me. That is the Google's employees company. So he worked in Microsoft and then he came here. He's not Indian. He can claim Indian, but he worked. I think he's born and brought up there.
Yeah.
Because he studied in Stanford.
Yes.
And it looks like 40 plus at least. 20 years back, nobody is going to study in Stanford in India. You should be from US. We'll go on study there. Most problems. I don't think he's Indian. I mean, name is Indian, that's all.
Maybe some ancestors from India.
Yes, yes.
No much details about him.
You have to put LinkedIn. That's where you will get the history.
Yeah.
LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Market is recovering. It 17,991 is going on.
Just let's finish this. I think our senior analyst, Akshincha, what happened?
It's not, there is some compatibility issue.
Stanford, just before that, just come down.
Nothing before that.
Yeah, he's 92, 96 Bachelor of Science from Stanford. 92 to 96. I'm from 91 to 95. So 1 year junior to me. But yeah, I think he studied there, unlike Sundar Pichai, who studied here and gone there. What happened to our market? Is our order got filled?
Yes, let me just check.
I think you can take some
Yes.
profit here. You can take the
Yes.
profit here.
It was till 1996, 1997 it was. 4 points less.
Now falling. Put at 154,
154.
155, 156, 155.
55. Okay.
Quick. How much we made?
Yeah. We made around 500.
Not bad. That's how we play for our gap fill. If you see a big gap down below previous low,
We should have
Actually,
waited.
it's fine. At least we made money.
Yeah.
Actually, you can short the call now. But we are not. Because Bank Nifty is not performing in line with Nifty.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So what's the other news?
Yeah. Shuffler India's revenue is up by around 17% and net profit is up by around 21%. The company has also announced a dividend of 24 rupees per share. And
I think very good results. Stock would have gone up actually.
yes.
Then
Okay. Just a minute. Then these companies are going ex-date interim dividend today that are on screen. And insider trades, there are a lot of transactions happening in all these companies. And in money market update.
Make Money has bought it 21 lakhs yesterday, right? This Make Money guy.
Yes, again, 1600.
now
21 lakhs he buys today, again 1600, I think.
Yes.
even the KCP she is buying. We bought it, but we didn't make any money. Indira, that lady inside of that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, come down.
Yeah. Moving towards in money market update, we can see that the rupee closed at 0.10%, higher against the US dollar at 82.72 on Thursday. In FNOQs, we can see that FIs continue to buy in the cash market. FIs have bought around 1,570 crores. DIs have bought around 1,577 crores. FI and derivatives, they have gone short in index futures and long in index options. And overall, there is a notional addition of around 20,533 crores. So that's it in the news. Yesterday, there was a big news related to 50 Cent. So basically, so he's a mysterious trader, who goes by the name 50 Cent and seems to have returned to the market with a big bet on volatility, that will shoot the VIX in the coming months. And the VIX index is basically market's fear gauge, and then the index is typically rises as the market grows turbulent. And then if we see that according to Bloomberg report, the trader seems to have paid 50 cents each on 100,000 call options on the CBOE volatility index, that is Chicago Board Options Exchange volatility index, totaling around 5 million. The traders bet indicates that they expect the index will rise up to 50 in May. That is, say, even
90 days from now, approximately. 90 days.
90 days from now, which is a 17 May expiry. And another buying with the same strike price and expiry was made on Wednesday, which is here, that Kora has already disclosed it on his tweet, at 51 cents a piece. That is roughly around 2.6 million in total, the report said. Looking at the past patterns, the trades brought back memories of the similar actions in 2017 and 18, when markets lost their calm and volatility exploded, leading to a rise in the index. According to Bloomberg, the strategy is estimated to have made nearly around 200 million in total profit from the beginning of 2017.
Actually, that's not a VIX explosion. It's a collapse. There was a ETF, ZIV, XIV, ZIV. ZIV, XIV, type it, reverse VIX. Reverse VIX. ZIV.
Please.
ZIV. Reverse VIX. XIV.
XIV. XIV.
ETF.
PDF.
ETF.
ETF. This is something new.
So it went to 0.
Uh,
That 0 fell down. So that day, VIX has shot of more than 100%. If any instrument shorts of more than 100%, the shorts are going to be killed. So that's exactly what. So ZIV went into negative almost. They didn't have money, so they stopped the ETF. They closed the ETF. I had a few ZIV shares that day. It happened on second Monday. Basically, after the market hours, ZIV ETF was supposed to short VIX futures, and US market closes at 4 o'clock, whereas futures market closes at 4:50, and then 15 minutes stoppage time, and then 4:30 both of them open the evening session. So in that 15 minutes, this guy didn't have the fund manager didn't have a NAV delivered to him. So he kept on shorting, and VIX kept on moving up. After more than 100% rise, ZIV is headed to 0. That was a big, I don't know, maybe you can call that as a blunder or whatever, but you shouldn't be trading when there is no reference point. That was between 4 to 4:15 in US. He was trading in the futures market when the cash market is closed. When the cash market is closed, you don't know what's going on. I think $2 billion were lost in that ETF on that day. And even Indian market tanked the next day. So he would have made 200 million or whatever. But my point is, yeah, he made again money in 2020.
Okay.
That particular hedging is whenever he makes money, people talk like so much money is made. But if you look at the long-term chart, this is the place where he works. Rougher London investment bank. So this is your VIX collapse. Sorry, the COVID. This fund, okay, didn't lose much, but in the long term, S&P made 225 versus 150. So that's all is hedging cost. I don't know when they started the hedging, but definitely 5 years, because we know 2018 instant. This is 2018. This is where your SPY collapsed. Something like here. These guys were flat, but still they couldn't overtake SPY. They never overtook SPY. This is one place where they were little ahead of SPY. From there, it's like it's 30% returns versus 50%, almost double. The point is, you just buy SPY and forget it. Don't do any hedging activities. If these guys are not able to surpass even once SPY, even I can't do it. Of course, a benchmark could be different, not SPY, but I always tend to compare anybody with SPY. If you can buy SPY or Nifty and forget it, like for 10 years, you'll make this much money over 5 years. Or over max, which is 10 years, I think, you make this much money. This roughly translates to 8% returns. Whereas here, he is underperforming by 6.2 or something like that. These are the calculations. So since 2007, SPY has given you 8.17 versus 6.3. As I said, I don't know whether they were doing this hedging since here, but definitely from 2018. SPY has given 52% versus these guys are 32, right?
30.
This is a gross underperformance, 8.73 versus 5.4. So in the guise of hedging, we're losing this much. That's 3.5. Yeah, I don't pay much attention. So yeah, even if he makes money, it'll be a one-time event, but again, he will tend to lose, give up all the money that he made in the subsequent or subsequent period. All right, that's all. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Kora, just a question, Kora. So what is the final take from this tweet, Kora? 50
He's
cents.
just wasting his money.
Yeah, okay.
And also, is there a possibility that there will be like a fear in the market by end of May?
No, I don't think VIX will go to 50. Maybe wrong, but VIX, for him to be profitable, it has to go to 51. How will it go VIX from 20 to 51? I mean, there has to be a nuclear, another COVID or something like that.
Okay.
This 2018 stupidity won't be happening again because there is no ZIV or any other instruments like this. No, the only possibility is the S&P has to fall. The S&P is not falling in the last 6 months. In spite of Ukraine news and inflation news and all this stuff. So, absolutely can cause such a damage beyond COVID and beyond Ukraine conflict. Say less than 1% probability that VIX will go 50. Will go above 50.
Okay.
Thank you, Kora.
So that's it in the news for the day. Okay. So that's it.
Our 164 has hit.
Mm-hmm.
Our 164 was hit.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, but we don't have it. Would have made another 500 points, 500 rupees.
Yeah, we could have, yes.